Hi, Dre. Yeah, there's no difference in what the theme doesn't make a difference in how you add a page. The theme is just how your site looks. Adding a page in WordPress is the same as everything. So I just want to make sure. So you've gone to Pages, you've hit Add New, like so. You've given the page a name right here, and then you've made sure that over here under the status, you see where it says draft and all this sort of stuff. If those settings change at all, like say you hit save draft instead of publish, well then your page is never going to show up. It's going to be hidden in the background until you actually hit the publish option, right? So let's just hit publish. Okay, that's step number one. Okay, now the other thing you have to do now that you have a page, and we can actually just go to the view page right here. Right, so boom, there the page shows up. There's no text on it yet because I haven't done anything to it. Right, but once you've actually started adding text and whatnot and you want it to show up in your site, make sure you add it to a menu or something, right? So if you go to your appearance and go to your menus, right, make sure you've taken your new page, right? So here's the most recent. You see the page right here, which I just called name. Make sure you select it and you decide which menu you want it to be added to. Let's add it to the drop-down menu at the top, right? And I'm going to make sure that it's selected and then add to menu, and then there it shows up right down there. I'm going to hit save menu. Every time you're in WordPress you have to remember to save whatever you're doing, and now I can go and view the site, and there the page shows up right here in the top. I click it and it goes to that page. So I'm not sure what step you're missing there. To me, if somebody says I can't add a page, usually that means that the page, when you've added a new one, right, add new, right, name 2, that save draft has been selected as opposed to publish. The page doesn't become an actual page until you publish it. If you save it as a draft, then it's just a work in progress. So I just want to make sure you've done that part.